Now, on 8th of August 2025, there was a debate on Bill number 39 and Bill number 40, presented by the Revenue Department. And in this debate, it was very interesting that the Chief Minister made a statement which was published in the media. I will read the statement what he made and which is published in the media. As and safeguard citizens, we have done just that by protecting the people from the High Court verdict on illegal construction. CM Sawant. Now, the point is, there is a public interest litigation number 043 of 2024, where the High Court has given instructions to the government, to the panchayats, to the communidars to keep all the encroachments list to their respective higher up to represent them in the court. And recently, as 29th of this last month, there was a hearing. Now, the intention of the government here is to protect the encroachers. It is very clear. There is no doubt about it. Otherwise, court has already directed for action, especially on illegal construction that have come on national highways. That was the first priority that the instructions were given on. So, the intention is clear. Secondly, as my colleague said, both them politics. Finally, they will say, we have tried to give you, but see, there were objections, so what we can do?
23rd July 2011 एक affidavit filed केले before the Supreme Court, and in that affidavit he has clearly said that in Goa also there are lands which belong to village communities and which are governed by a law known as the Code of Communidar. And in that affidavit he has also said that I say that there is also a regulation enacted by the government known as the Goa Land Prohibition of Construction Act 1995, the same act which I have just read. And then he says that he has said that about he has inscribed the act in this, where the penalty that is is supposed to be installed, and then he says the state has in place appropriate enactment to remove encroachments from land belongs to the government, a local authority or a communidar. And I say that any complaint received in respect to encroachment will be dealt with in accordance with the provisions of the Act. Now this is in 2011 by the Chief Secretary of Goa. After this, now in 2013, now we have to see in 2013 government कोणागे आहा. In 2013 BJP government आहा, Manohar Parrikar Chief Minister आहा. तो असताना this same act Goa Prohibition of Construction Act 1995 has been strengthened. एक amendment आला था in 2013, May 2013, and in that amendment government says that under section 4, for the expression 3 months with fine which may extend to 2,000 rupees, which was there in the section 4 of that 1995 act, he has said the expression 3 years or with a fine which may extend to 50,000 rupees or both. Now that 1995 act in 2013 was strengthened by the BJP government with a fine of 50,000 rupees and 3 months in imprisonment or with both. So this has been done by the BJP government. Now, I mean, सांगूक सोदता गव्हर्नमेंटाक की हुई ना हुई गव्हर्नमेंटूय फेल जालना. Government eyes दाखवून दिचे 2013 till 2025, 12 years have passed. Instead of enforcing this act, instead of enforcing the affidavit which has been submitted to the Supreme Court by the Chief Secretary, what the government has done? The government, it is very easy to just keep on blaming the managing committees from time to time. Managing committees, they find one isolated case or 10 isolated cases in the entire state of Goa. They put all the managing committees in the same basket. But they are not showing where they have failed. We have clearly said from the beginning, government has got administrative tutelage over the communidad. And when you say administrative tutelage, means wherever the administration of the managing committee fail, it is the government who has to act through the administrator. So who is now in government will fail the and instead of you at least now trying to enforce the provisions of the act, तुम्ही आता ह्या ऍक्ट पड काढला तेजेर तुम्ही हे सुपरसीड केला हे हो ऍक्ट भायर मारला. It is said that all this act will be no longer enforced. But तो ऍक्ट काढलो आणि कित्याक फ्रॉम 1995 till 2025 3 वर्स तुम्ही एक ऍक्ट घेवन बसताय. ऍक्ट केल्या केन्ना एक इम्प्रिजनमेंट ना, एक फायन ना, एक केन्ना कोणा सेंटेन्स मारलो म्हणून ना. वयल्यान तुम्ही हे रेग्युलरायज करूंक म्हणताय. इन वॉट मॅनर यू कॅन रेग्युलरायज? म्हणजे कोण एक चोरले तेका इन्स्टेड ऑफ ती चोरी सांपडली म्हणजे तेका सेंटेन्स मारलो परस तुम्ही तेका वयल्यान रिवॉर्ड करताय. This is like as if you are rewarding the encroachers. This is a reward and now this will act as a precedent. तुम्ही मुखार सगळे गरज घेतो हूंय वचून स्पॉट जावपाचे, चॅलेंज करपाचे, रावपाचे देशान वोट बँक वोट मिनिस्टराचे प्रोटेक्शनाचे रावपाचे आनी 10 वर्सांनी आनी होच ऍक्ट मागीर कंटिन्यू जातलो. वी हॅव सीन द गोवा unauthorized construction act पडे आसा, रेग्युलरायझेशन ऑफ अनऑथोराइज्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन, तो ऍक्ट 2016 हाडलोले and it was meant to be for 180 days. Then it was extended to 210 days and then it was kept on extended and it is extended till today from 2016. And this act also will be the same way because in the end they have to protect their vote banks. To protect their vote banks, this act also will be kept on continuing. You all have given now the specified time frame, but henceforth you all will keep on extending. So we are totally objecting against it. The government has no powers to regularize illegal constructions on Kumnidar land. As a citizen of Goa, I also have objections to government regularizing constructions on government land.